Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss unit number 3, dynamics. As discussed earlier, machines deal with the study of motion of object, but few questions like why some objects are accelerated and other are not. How and why a moving object change a direction of motion. These questions can be answered when we extend our discussion of motion of object to another branch of mechanics is known as dynamic. In this unit we will learn about force, momentum, Newton's law, friction and circular motion. Kinematics is the how of motion and dynamic is the why of motion. Dynamic is derived from the Greek word for force, the branch of physics which deal with the study of motion by analysis, and the cause of motion is called dynamic. Force. A force is a kind of a push or pull on an object. When we push a steel car head, the nail with hammer or drag a chair, we can extract a force in each case. We can thinking of different way in which we can move this textbook. We can push or pull it, or we can tie or string around it and pull on the string. We often call these contact force because the force is exert when one object come in the contact with another object. As we are holding this physics textbook right now, our hands are exerting a contact force on it. There are other ways in which we can change the motion of the textbook. One can drop it, as we learn in chapter number 2, kinematics. It would accelerate as it fell to the ground. This time the gravitational force of Earth, which is not a contact force, is acting on the book, which is causing this acceleration. We call such a force as non-contact force, field force, or action at a distance force. Force can cause object to start moving, speed up, slow down, or change direction as they move. In other words, to accelerate an object, a force is needed, but sometimes we apply force and object does not move. For example, when we apply force on a wall does not move at time we cannot even stop a moving body. For example, we fail to stop a moving truck even if we apply force. Definition of force. Force is a physical quantity which can move or tend to move a body, stop or tends to stop a moving body. In other words, force is a physical quantity change or tend to change the velocity or direction of a body.